Have you ever been stuck in a conversation and had no idea how to leave? You're at a networking event. You've been talking to the same person for 20 minutes? You want to move on. You want to meet other people, but you just can't end it.
So you keep smiling, keep nodding, keep pretending you're not trapped.
And while you're stuck there, you've already missed 3 important connections in the room.
In the next few minutes, you'll know exactly what to say to leave a conversation in English, politely, naturally, and without sounding rude. Hi, I'm Claire. And this is English Without Apology, where we help you speak naturally in real-life situations.
And I'm Jake.
Sometimes the hardest English isn't grammar.
It's knowing how to leave without feeling rude.
Jake, this happened to you last week, didn't it?
Yeah, and it was painful. I was at a coffee shop. I ran into an old colleague. We started talking.
Sounds harmless.
It was until I looked at the time. I had a meeting in 10 minutes, and I had no idea how to end the conversation without sounding rude. So I started doing that awkward thing, smiling, nodding, checking my watch, pretending I wasn't panicking.
Oh no, did they notice?
Definitely. They finally said, "I can tell you need to go." And somehow that felt worse than just leaving.
Yeah, because now it's awkward for both people.
So I'm not the only person who freezes in that moment.
Not even close. Most people think ending a conversation politely is rude. But the truth is, dragging it out is usually more awkward than ending it well. And once you know a few natural phrases, this gets so much easier.
Okay, I need this.
Good, because today I'm giving you 3 phrases you can actually use in real life.
Let's do it.
Phrase number 1, it was great talking to you, I should let you go.
Wait, I should let you go? Not I need to go?
Exactly. I need to go puts all the focus on you. But I should let you go sounds warmer, softer, and more considerate.
So even if I'm the one leaving, I'm making it feel polite.
Exactly, that's why this works so well. Listen to the full version. It was great talking to you. I should let you go. I know you're busy.
It was great talking to you. I should let you go. I know you're busy.
Perfect.
But what if they're not actually busy?
Doesn't matter. This is social English. You're not reporting facts. You're being graceful.
Graceful. That is not usually my brand.
We're expanding your range today. You can also add something warm at the end, like, let's catch up again soon. It was really nice seeing you. I'm glad we ran into each other.
Okay, this already feels a lot better than staring at my watch like a stressed out robot.
Exactly. No watch checking required. Phrase number 2, I don't want to keep you. Thanks for chatting.
This one feels faster.
Exactly. It's lighter and more casual. This is great for short conversations, in the hallway, at the gym, in a coffee shop, after class. Full example, I don't want to keep you. Thanks for chatting. Have a great day.
I don't want to keep you. Thanks for chatting. Have a great day.
Perfect.
So it's polite, but not heavy.
Exactly. Friendly, quick, and very natural.
So when should I use this instead of phrase 1?
Use phrase 1 when the conversation feels a little more important or longer. Use this one when the interaction is shorter and more casual.
Short chat, short exit.
Exactly. Try these too. I don't want to keep you. Enjoy your lunch. I don't want to keep you. Good luck with your meeting. I don't want to keep you. See you around?
This one feels very usable, like today usable.
Good. That's the goal. Phrase number 3. Before I let you go.
Ooh, this one sounds useful.
It is because it signals the ending, but gives you space for one final thing. A final question, a final detail, a final connection point. Example: before I let you go, where did you say that restaurant was?
Before I let you go, where did you say that restaurant was?
Perfect.
So I'm not just ending the conversation, I'm ending it smoothly.
Exactly. That's why this phrase is so powerful. Here are a few more. Before I let you go, send me that article you mentioned. Before I let you go, when's your next trip? Before I let you go, how do I connect with you on LinkedIn?
That one is really good, especially for networking.
Exactly. It helps you leave and still keep the door open.
So ending well isn't pushing people away.
Right. It's actually a sign of social confidence. You're respecting their time, your time, and the interaction itself.
Okay, that's actually a really helpful way to think about it.
Let me tell you something embarrassing.
Oh, I'm listening.
2 years ago, I was at a conference. I met someone really interesting, and we started talking. But I had a workshop starting in 5 minutes. And instead of ending the conversation like a normal person, I just got more and more awkward. I smiled too much. I started shifting my body. I looked over their shoulder like I was being hunted.
Oh no, that's bad.
Finally, I just said, I have to go now. Bye. And then I walked away way too fast.
You fled.
I absolutely fled. And they looked confused, maybe even a little hurt.
So what should you have said?
It was great talking to you. I should let you go. I have a workshop starting. Let's exchange contacts.
Phrase 1 plus a reason.
Exactly. Clean, polite, and still warm.
Okay, I actually used one of these yesterday.
Really? Which one?
Phrase 2. I was at the gym. My neighbor started talking to me between sets. Normally, this is where I fake a phone notification and pretend I have somewhere urgent to be.
The fake phone escape, a classic.
A terrible classic. But this time I said, I don't want to keep you from your workout. Thanks for chatting. See you around.
That's perfect.
And he just smiled and said, yeah, absolutely. See you. No awkwardness, no fake emergency, no pretending my phone was vibrating.
Look at you growing as a person.
Honestly, I'm evolving.
Okay, let's practice. We're at a networking event. You've been talking for a while. You need to move on. End the conversation naturally.
Okay. Claire, it was really great talking to you. I should let you go. I know you probably want to meet a few more people tonight.
Thanks. Yeah, absolutely. It was really nice talking to you too.
Before I let you go, are you on LinkedIn? I'd love to stay in touch.
I am. Yeah, absolutely. Let's connect.
Perfect. Enjoy the rest of the event.
You too. That was really good.
That actually felt normal.
Exactly. That's the goal. Not dramatic, not weird, just socially smooth.
Socially smooth. I'll take it.
Let's lock this in. Phrase 1.
It was great talking to you. I should let you go.
Phrase 2.
I don't want to keep you. Thanks for chatting.
Phrase 3.
Before I let you go.
And what's the big idea behind all three?
Ending a conversation politely isn't rude, it's respectful.
Exactly.
From socially trapped to socially smooth.
That might be your best line so far.
Your challenge. Use one of these phrases in the next 24 hours.
1 real conversation, 1 polite exit. That's it.
Have you ever stayed in a conversation longer than you wanted because you didn't know how to leave?
Tell us in the comments. You're not alone, and we genuinely want to hear your story.
And if this helped you, subscribe, because every week we teach the kind of English people actually use.
Next episode, how to ask for help in English without sounding needy, awkward, or insecure.
Yeah, you're gonna want that one.
Thanks for spending this time with us today.
See you next time.
Bye!